एनआयओंत उदकापोंची माहिती एकठांय करपाच्या तंत्रातली क्रांतिकारी उदरगत जाल्या। एनआयओ म्हटल्यार गोंयांतल्या नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ओशनोग्राफी हे संस्थेन कोरल बोट हे अत्याधुनिक तंत्रज्ञान सुरू केला। गोंयांतल्या एनआयओ म्हटल्यार नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ओशनोग्राफी हे संस्थेन कोरल बोट हे अत्याधुनिक तंत्रज्ञान सुरू केला। उदकापोना माहिती एकठांय करपाच्या तंत्रातली क्रांतिकारी उदरगत म्हण सी बोट मानल्या। CSIR ची संचालक एन कैल सेल्वीन ही माहिती दिल्या।
Actually, my trip to NIO is based on one particular mission or an inauguration. So they have indigenously developed the underwater unmanned aerial vehicle. So it is they have given the name as Seabot. So I just had the opportunity of launching it just on Sunday yesterday. So now it can go. It carries with itself number of equipments. I would say sensors and gadgets, by means of which you will get real-time data, by means of which you can understand the undersea ecosystem also. So now this the speciality of this sea waters, it can go up to 200 meters. Even in this shallow plains also, this particular seabot can do the real-time data analysis, and we will be able to monitor it, number one. But we have plans to just get its next versions, by means of which we will be able to go for deep diving.
Where you can go up to 200 meters. Whatever you want to do, it will do. So it will be very good for say our strategic sector. In the coastal region, where deep sea, our big ships are not coming, if you want to do the mathematical study, like many people wanted to do that, they wanted to have this. So, means putting the camera, putting the sonar system, we can scan the bathymetry at very lower depth, which is not possible earlier. So, many places it will be utilized. Even actually, what is happening, many of the gliders from the different countries, they are sending secretly to these our waters. So these are the vehicles with equipped with particular sensors and camera. It will be very useful to detect those also.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, गौतमी गांवकार आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।